Hello, welcome, good morning to Mickey and my crowd. This is Hilda, your host. Welcome new subscribers. Welcome all the old subscribers, new viewers, returning viewers. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button with the notification bell so you get notified of all new content. And we have a playlist with various craft contents on it. From there, paint by number, which is the unboxing that I'm about to do. Diamond paints, which is on Friday, and stamp cross stitch and paper towel. Okay, so let's get to it without further ado. Be safe in the holidays. Okay, so we have an unboxing AliExpress. They're giving me the stuff like a slow IV on the veins. So the rest of the paint by number are not coming until January or February. I don't know why, because they say it was going to be here in December. But they gave me this one. This one is from somebody called Jeffrio. It's a digital oil painting. It's this company that are making these oil paintings digitally. And, you know, the thing is, look at where the paints came in. But everybody enjoy the fun of painting. Jeffrio. Let's see what we got over here. Okay, so I'm gonna post a picture. Already found out what picture. It's an autumn 3. And it has 18 color. On this one they put you the number of the color and probably the DMC or some of the code in there. Okay, it doesn't have a chart, so you have to take a picture. These are 30 by 40. Okay, so I don't know how the rendering is. Let me see if I can find it. I think I took a picture of it. I can show you now. Oh, here it is. Here is the picture. I'm sorry about it. I'll try to post it in the video of this. This is a 30 by 40 and it have 18 colors. Now you tell me if that picture should have 18 colors. Well, probably because, you know, of detail and the standard colors of autumn, you know. So that's my concern about this. It's a digital printing, and it's like a the canvas is soft. It's like a cloth. Okay, it's shiny on the back. Tells you 30 by 40, and it tells you the product number over here. That's how I found out which one it was. It's a 40 by 30, and as we can see, it came with this thick foam, which is better because the other foam, the thin one, doesn't have the chart, which it should. That's my drawback. And but the numbers are clear, very clear. Okay, the lines are not that dark that is gonna give you problems with the the paint. Okay, even the small spaces, although this one doesn't have that many. Well, it has a lot of little ones, but it's not like it's tiny. Look, there is a 6 in there and a 17. So it's pretty much clear. Now the rendering, I don't know. I don't know about the rendering. So let's take a look at the paints, because if it has, let me do it this other way. If it had this color scheme that you've seen over here, that means that the paint pots are marked different. Let me put this in here. So let's see, it comes in this little pouch, which is good. We can keep it nice and tidy, your paint, but I don't put it over here. It has the standard brushes, okay, which I don't use. And oh my God, yeah, it tells you the number code, but it doesn't tell you which number is the paint pot, like whether it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna have to number them. I'm gonna have to, but look at how small these paint pots are comparing to this one. Look at how small it is. That means it's not gonna have that much paint. See this yellow one. It's easy to do. It's pretty much filled up, but well, let's see what happens. It's supposed to be 18 colors in here. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and one is 19. So there's gotta be a double one. Let me see. Did I count well? 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 3, 6, and 9. Yep, I have an extra over here. I have an extra, so it's not 18. And I'm trying to find which is the color that is repeated, and it looks like it's not. So let's go back to the paint and let's mark over here. Okay, let me get a pen. Let me get this one. Let's mark. Okay, 0, because it says 18 over here. Okay, and I'm finding 19 over here. 028, 036, 072, 074, 138, 210, 240, 314, 315, 377, 392, 642, 648, 676, 974, A045, F046, FS048. So the one that is repeated is 072. So these two. You see? That's why it's so important to check. So, but these paint pots are little. Well, this is a 30 by 40, but still. I mean, you gotta use floaty for this. So here they are. All 18 colors. So when it's time for me to, when it's time I look at the chart and do the rest. So I'm gonna put it back in the bag. I'm curious about this one because I don't think I don't know about the rendering, and it's a precious well folks, was a quick unboxing of paint by numbers. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful and safe holidays, or Merry Christmas, and don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.